Isa na namang napakasimpleng ulam pero masarap at mapapa-unli-rice ka. Tara na't iluto natin ang spare ribs with pechay. Isutay natin sa konting oil ang onion and garlic. Pag translucent na, ilagay na ang spare ribs. Isangkot siya natin ng ilang minutes. Then season with salt and pepper. Mix very well. Then add soy sauce according to your taste na lang. At oyster sauce, at least 2 tablespoons. Cook for about 1 minute or so. Then add na yung tubig. Yung tama lang para lumambot ang karne. Simmer natin ng 45 minutes or until the meat is tender. Takpan natin. After 45 minutes, malambot na ang karne. Lagyan ng 2 teaspoon cornstarch with water. Mix until mag-thicken ang sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Mix very well. Itabi ang meat sa isang side at ilagay na ang pechay. Make sure ma-coat its leaves. Cover until cook. O ano pang inaantay nyo? Luto na. Kainan na!